welcome to my new YouTube channel, Cook with Ritvik. So in this YouTube channel, I'll be going through easy recipes you can make with parental supervision, or if you're my age, without parental supervision. So since it's my first video, we're going to make my favorite food, pizza. If I had a choice, I would eat pizza every day, but it's really unhealthy and you just can't keep asking your mom for pizza. So today we're going to make pizza at home with bread, like everyday ingredients. So let's make bread, chicken, cheese, pizza. Let's get started. Boil chicken with pepper and salt, onions, peppers, tomatoes, olives, and jalapenos. Pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and chili flakes. First, take your pizza sauce and spread it on the bread with a spoon. Now load your bread pizza with as much vegetables, chicken as you like. Now add your cheese, chili flakes, and an Italian seasoning. Add half a tablespoon of butter. Put your pizza on the pan. Put the lid on and wait for the cheese to melt. Look how good that looks. I just tasted the pizza and it was amazing. You should try to make it and comment down below how it tasted and how good it was. And like and subscribe if you like this video to my channel, and see you all next time.